Want to hear an artist statement? I've worked all my life to get to this point where I can sit down in my own art gallery, my family's art museum, work on the latest of my inventions, and take the long view past today's events, this year's events, and in the next 10 years' events. Take the long view and work for kids, work for the future, with games and toys based on the old printmaking metaphor, and being able to print what I'm talking about and make what I'm thinking about for kids, for the future, for myself, my family, my friends, and my country. That's my artist statement. Thanks for watching. I'm Bill Ritchie. Now let's get down to business. I want to show you how I put together a small wave square I designed in 3D modeling software and printed on my 3D printer. And I made all these things that go in an envelope. There's the 3D, the small wave square with its raft. That's this pink part that goes around here. I designed a card. Some of the cards have an NPC, near field communication, NFC, near field communication tag inside. Sometimes I include the notes that I made when I printed it, and this little booklet. Oh, and don't forget the magnet. So let's get started. First, break off the raft. This is a temporary throwaway piece that I like to use. It helps printing. That's the shaft. This is called the head. Sometimes there are these little threads and things on the back, but those will scrape off with a knife blade. Then you have to take out these supports. Sometimes you have to use a tweezer, but this one just came out real easily. There's a hole right in here for the magnet. You press that in there real hard. Oops. Slippery little thing. Press it in there real hard, feel it click in there. And then the shaft plugs into the head, like that. Then you put it on your refrigerator door or any kind of metal, ferrous metal that is a steel or iron kind of a surface, like I do. Here I am with my gallery, my showplace, where I keep all my wave squares and C-squares and my fidgets, everything I make. Thanks for watching. I'm Bill Ritchie.